Picture yourself in the 2019 Dodge Journey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.